we move on to our next talk that's titled A New Technique for Lunar Dust Mitigation Utilizing an Electron Beam by Zhu. Take it away.
Oh, thanks. This is Chief from University of Colorado at Boulder. This is work funded by JPL. So the idea is, actually the idea came from our science studies of natural electrostatic dust lofting on the moon. And this is using an electron beam impinging on the surface, a layer of dust particles. So the idea is electron beam generates secondary electrons, and those secondary electrons will be recaptured by macrocavities between dust particles. Because cavity is so small, it generates enormous large electric field that gives you a very large charge. So the particles repel each other and they can jump off the surface. So in the middle, it shows the experiment, and we show the electron beam from hot filament and on the sample surface. And at the bottom, you see the middle one, you see the dust particles jump off the surface, and shows before after cleaning. This is on glass sample. And we did several samples, glass, spacesuit, and solar panel. It's currently ongoing. So we demonstrate how this works, try to find optimized beam parameters. The bottom one shows the beam energy. The optimized beam energy is about 230 eV. So that generates that gives you the largest yield of the secondary electrons. And the beam current density is about 1.5 to 3 microamp per square centimeter. So we can clean up the surface up to 75 to 85% cleanness, less than a few minutes. And so
you have 1 minute remaining.
Right. So we demonstrate the feasibility and the efficiency of this new technique. Currently, we're improving this to remove the last layer, about 15–25%. So we're doing is by rotating the sample surface to a variety of angles relative to the beam source. And we found that can help to do additional cleaning. In the future, we'll test this technique in the lunar thermal environment to improve the technology readiness level. So one day it can be tested on the surface of the moon. Thanks.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.